I'm here at 1830 Shears Road, so I want to give you a quick preview. Come on, let's take a look inside. Just an exceptional kitchen with a large eat-in island that seats 8. Really a nicely done bump out with a raised ceiling. Gives you a lot more volume in the space and really finishes it out nicely. Showing you one of the secondary bedrooms here. Really nicely done as well. They kept the original beadboard on the walls and ceiling, but smartly added lots of storage. Zero entry shower. All right, another super cool feature on this house is a built-in bookcase, but there's more. Just like everybody has always wanted, a secret closet. I don't care who you are, that is cool. You know, another nice feature of this home as you head down the hallway towards the back of the home is that you can close off the hallway here and really make this master suite more private because you have the master bedroom area here and to your just beautifully done master bathroom with clawfoot tub. All right, that's just a sneak peek of 1830 Shears Road. When Kay and I came in, we were blown away. I mean, really, we see a lot of houses, and this is probably the best renovation we've ever seen, particularly on an old farmhouse like this. They've retained that original character, but you know, it feels like new construction almost because it's so nicely done. The luxury finishes, just the attention to detail everywhere. A lot of times you see these houses and it's like, they should have done that. There's none of that here. Everything's been taken care of, and I think you'll find that it's really an exceptional house. Come check it out for yourself though.